Hi, my name is Paulami and thank you so much for watching this video. As you know from the last few videos, have been making this series of a lot of dishes for a friend, and I thought of making this very simple dish, which is green moong. You must have seen two videos earlier, the yellow moong or the moong daal, which is the split mung beans. That was used with spinach, and this one is just regular mung beans that can be found at any supermarket. What I've done is I've soaked this in water overnight, and now I will add it to a saucepan and with some water and salt and let this boil for 20 minutes till it's soft, and then move ahead with the recipe. So the lentils are cooked. It took literally 20 minutes because I had soaked it overnight for 8 hours, and this is how cooked they are. I added no turmeric, and remember to not discard the cooking liquid that is now present, because this is a good broth that's been created and we will use this in our dish. So in the pan we add oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I have chopped one onion, medium-sized onion, finely. I will be using 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste that I just made, and 1 tomato that has been roughly chopped. So 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. I see the cumin seeds have started spluttering, and we go ahead and add our onion and chili. So if you see, most of the dishes have kind of the same process where you add the onion and then the chili and then the ginger garlic paste and the tomato. But this is the kind of dishes that I'm making have this process. It's not that overall in India this is the only way in which all the dishes are made. The dishes that I'm cooking today has this kind of pattern. And we would let the onion cook again for a good 7 minutes. So while that's cooking, we'll go ahead and add salt, a teaspoon of salt, because we already have some salt in our dal. So we have just added 1.5 tablespoons of the ginger garlic paste, or rather the mash that we just made in the pestle and mortar. And time to add the tomatoes. These have not been chopped very finely, but really big chunks of tomato. You can always use tomato puree for this dish as well. I just added fresh tomatoes. And we cook the tomatoes till they are slightly soft, and then we add our spices to this. The tomatoes started getting super soft, and let's add all the spices. It's the same sequence. We add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. You can also do this while the lentil is cooking, and then as soon as it's done, just add it to it. I just happen to first cook it and then do this, but you can of course do the two together. We'll go ahead and add this with all that water. But what people like to do now is let this cook, at least simmer it for the next 10 minutes so that it can absorb all the flavors really well. And then we finish this off with some garam masala, and that's it, the dish is done. So let's put a lid. So it's been resting or rather simmering for the last 10 minutes, and it looks amazing. I will add around 1.5 teaspoons of garam masala, and that's looking gorgeous. We would finish this up with some fresh coriander leaves. Give it a mix and turn off the flame. There you go, our dish is ready. Time to serve this or plate it up and enjoy this with some flatbread, maybe a fulka or a paratha, or even with rice. Just plain steamed rice is a perfect combination with this, or both if you like to. But I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you do, don't forget to let me know in your comments under this video, or just tag me in your stories or posts on Instagram or Facebook on this handle. And don't leave this video without giving me a like. Subscribe to my channel to see the next videos in the series that I'm making of cooking for a friend. And I hope to see you really soon. Keep spreading the love of spices and take care. Bye.